Welcome to SoundBranch, your platform for voice-first communication. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the essential features: posting on the timeline, recording and playing voice notes, seeing who has played your clips, sharing voice notes, replying using transcription, searching, and inviting contacts. SoundBranch is designed for different needs: individual creators and teams. SoundBranch.com is the global SoundBranch community, perfect for individual creators who want to share their voice with the world. Here, you can connect with a wide audience, discover new ideas, and engage with people globally. For teams and communities, you should sign up via soundbrand.ch. It allows you to create your own dedicated SoundBranch site. This is ideal for businesses, schools, or groups that want a private space to collaborate, communicate, and share voice notes securely. First, signing up is simple. Head over to soundbrand.ch, click the Create Free Site button. Add your company or organization name, username, email, and password. Review the SoundBranch terms and conditions and privacy policy, and create your own site with a unique name and subdomain URL. This URL is your personalized space. It's where you'll log in and manage your voice notes. Remember to save your URL. You'll also use it to invite others to join your conversations. It's your gateway to creating a vibrant community of voices. Voice notes in SoundBranch default to 10 seconds. To adjust, click me in the top right navigation bar, then go to Company Admin Settings and set your preferred maximum duration. Remember to click Save. The first page you see when you sign up for SoundBranch is the timeline, which serves as the home page. To record voice notes, simply click the red Record button on the top of the screen. You can then speak your message. Once you're finished, press the Stop button. Click Send to post your voice note to the timeline. Clicking the heart icon allows users to like voice notes. Clicking the three dots on a voice note and then selecting Edit allows you to update its details such as the text, add or modify links, and manage any attached images. To add a voice note to a playlist, click Add to Playlist. Playlists are used for podcast creation, which is covered in a separate tutorial. If you come across a clip that you believe violates SoundBranch's terms and conditions, you can report it. Administrators also have the ability to delete voice notes if necessary. To reply to a voice note, click the Reply button, then press the Record button to record your response. Once you're finished, click Send. You can repeat this process to reply with additional voice notes as needed. Clicking on the original voice note allows you to view all the replies associated with it. To add another voice note, click Reply, press the red Record button, and then click Send. One brilliant feature of SoundBranch is the ability to view the full transcription of conversations. Simply click the transcript link to access the text. You can view transcripts in free text format, as minutes format, or as individual quotes. These quotes can be easily copied and pasted to complement your audio content with written materials. Returning to the public timeline, clicking Play All Clips will play each voice note in chronological order from the timeline. SoundBranch allows you to see who has listened to your clips. Simply hover over the profile icons displayed at the bottom of each voice note to view who has played it. This feature acts as a message receipt, giving you insights into your audience. To add people to the SoundBranch platform, navigate to the Network tab and click on Invite a Contact. You can invite as many contacts as you'd like by entering their email addresses and optionally their names. Click Send Invitations, and your contacts will receive a link to join SoundBranch by creating an account. If you receive new messages or replies on SoundBranch, you will be notified. You can view these notifications by clicking on the bell icon in the navigation bar. You can start new chats by clicking the plus icon next to the chat section and typing the name of the person you want to chat with. Alternatively, you can navigate to their profile and start a chat directly from there. To view an existing voice chat, simply click on the person's name. From there, you can play and record voice notes for one-to-one conversations. Let's take a look at the inbox. This is where you can find all voice notes, whether they are from the public timeline, private one-to-one chats, or private groups. From the inbox, you can play voice notes, reply to voice notes, like them, search for specific notes, and filter them by sentiment. SoundBranch allows you to share voice notes on the public timeline. Please note that voice notes from private chats and private groups cannot be shared publicly on the internet. To share a voice note, click the share icon and choose where you'd like to share it. For example, Slack, Facebook, Twitter now known as X, WhatsApp, or LinkedIn. To search with SoundBranch, you can use the voice icon in the search bar to perform a voice search, or simply type your query into the search bar. And that brings us to the end of this overview. SoundBranch is a voice-first platform that lets you record, share, and organize voice notes, create podcasts, and transcribe conversations, making communication simple and engaging across public, private, and one-on-one interactions. Remember to download the SoundBranch app from the Apple App Store or Google Play to access all its functionality on the go. Whether you want to simply record messages on your SoundBranch site, chat one-to-one or in groups, or create playlists for producing podcasts, the app has you covered. SoundBranch offers a seamless way to record, organize, and publish audio content, making it ideal for efficient podcasting and collaboration. Visit the SoundBranch websites to learn more.